Kinisang ampalaya with itlog for today's video, guys! At mag-isa lamang ng sibuyas, bawang at kamatis. At pagsamasamahin lang yan, guys, hanggang sa madurog ang kamatis. At ito naman ang ating ampalaya na ibinabad ko sa may asin. Ayan, at saka hinugasan, in-squeeze para matanggal yung pait. Ayan, tapos inilagay natin dyan para haluin na natin sa ating ginisang garlic at saka sibuyas at kamatis. Ayan, so ayan, i-mix lang natin. At haluin lang natin yan, guys, para ma-absorb yung ating kamatis. And then, i-simmer natin yan for 10 to 15 minutes hanggang maluto ang ampalaya, guys. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung ating itlog. And we have 3 eggs. I put some black peppers and salt and additional pepper flakes because I like spicy in my food. So, I added some pepper flakes. But it's optional, guys. Ayan. So, you have to mix all of the eggs. So, it's like combined. And I want my ampalaya like not too dry, like that is perfect. Ayan guys, lutuin nyo na rin yan. Ayan, napakasimple lang at napakasarap.